Hello? Is your audio on? In this lesson, you will learn the following. This lesson is based on the following business scenario. In order to use an SAP system, you must first log in. The software needed to connect and log in to an SAP system is called SAP GUI, Graphical User Interface. This is the basic SAP login screen. Notice the highlighted fields, client, user, and password. Let's begin by logging into our training client 800. If you leave the language field blank, you will log in using the default language that has been set up for your user ID. Now let's log into the SAP system. If this is the first login with this user ID, SAP will ask you to change the password. Enter welcome in the repeat password field. Good job! You are now logged into the SAP system. Now let's take a moment to review the different sections and buttons on this screen. Notice the highlighted area on top of the screen. This is the SAP menu bar. The items in this menu will change depending on the transaction you are currently running. Next, notice the checkmark icon. Pressing this icon is the same as pressing Enter on your keyboard.
The white input field is called the command field. All transactions in SAP have a unique shortcut key called a transaction code, which you can enter here.
Also notice the highlighted triangle icon. You can click on it to open and close the command field. Go ahead and give it a try. Good job! Now open the field back up. The highlighted area to the left is the SAP menu tree. It is used to access all transactions in SAP and contains your favorites as well as the official SAP menu. Note the icons on top. The left icon is a print icon. The other two icons are search icons. Next are the page up and page down icons. They are very useful when you are displaying long reports or lists of data. These two highlighted icons will page to the very first or last page in a report. This highlighted icon allows you to create another SAP session like this one you are currently working in. This icon will create a shortcut link on your desktop to this particular SAP transaction. This is the help icon. Every time you need more information about something in SAP, highlight the object and press the help icon. SAP will then display the help information for the specific object. This is the settings icon. You can make changes to various screens and SAP settings from this button. We will show you the specifics in a later lesson. This is the save icon. You can use this icon to save your work or to post transactions. These three icons are used for navigating through transactions in SAP. The icon on the left means back, the one in the middle means exit, and the one on the right means cancel. Great work! As you can see, there are many important icons and buttons in SAP. Now let's take a few more moments to finish introducing you to the remaining features of SAP, such as the application bar. This area is the status bar. SAP will display messages in this area. This area can display information regarding the system you are logged in, the SAP transaction code, username, etc. You can close the information field by clicking on the highlighted triangle. Good job! Now open it back up. When you click on the highlighted icon, you can see a lot of useful information about your current session. The system displays the system ID and client, username, transaction code, etc. in this window. This can be very helpful when working with multiple sessions and systems. You are almost done. Let's finish this lesson by logging out of the SAP system. Now select the Log Off option. Now confirm the pop-up box by selecting Yes. This will log you off the SAP system. Well done! You have just learned how to log in to the SAP system, recognize the standard SAP screen, describe each screen element, and log off from the system. Let's go through some review questions now to see if you remember the information that was presented.